Hello friends, my name is Engineer Adnan and in today's lecture we will find the diagonal of a square. For more lecture like this one, subscribe to YouTube channel Civil Engineering Global. So to find out the diagonal of a square, let's draw the square first. This will be the diagonal D. This will be A. So in this example, the A is equal to 20 meter. Let's write the formula to calculate the diagonal. So the diagonal is equal to under the root 2A. So D is equal to under the root 2 multiplied by 20. After calculating this will give you D is equal to 28.28. So the diagonal of this square is the diagonal of length 20 meter, 20 by 20. So the diagonal will be 28.28. Thanks for watching.